Hello friends, on this video here you can see there is two apps in one screen. Here is the dual apps. Okay, so how you can remove this app clone? Suppose this is Instagram and there is two Instagram and you want to remove this another fake Instagram. So how you can remove from this screen, right? And friends, before we remove this Instagram, another Instagram from your OnePlus tab, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, you have to move on setting. Then from here, you can see there is many options under the setting. And from here, you have to scroll down, and here you can see the app option. So friends, you have to tap on apps. Then after that, when you click on apps, then here you can see the second option under the apps is the app cloner. And under app cloner, you can see create app clones and run them at the same time. So just tap on this second option here. Okay, when you tap on second option, and here you can see Instagram is on, Facebook is off, WhatsApp is off. So here on means there is fake Instagram in your screen and you want to remove that fake app clone for Instagram. Okay, you want to remove this dual apps, the one app. Okay, the another Instagram. So just tap on Instagram, and friends, you have to click on this icon. Then here it says delete Instagram clone and permanently delete Instagram clone and its data. Okay, so just click on delete, and here has been deleted. Instagram clone has been deleted. So let's check it. Here is your original Instagram and another Instagram has been removed easily. So you can remove, and if you want to set, then just activate that icon again, then it will be activate. Okay, there will be two apps, and here right now it's removed. Okay, that app clone has been removed from the screen, so you can remove like this. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.